Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy, where we help you build secure and professional WordPress websites. Let me start with a quick question. What's the easier way for hackers to break into your website? Weak password, right? If you use a strong password, it is not enough anymore. That is why today's video I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in WordPress to protect your site from unauthorized access. Let's lock things down the right way. What is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your WordPress login. Instead of just using a password, you will also confirm your identity with a code sent to your phone or app like Google Authenticator. Even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without the second step. Install a 2FA plugin. Let's get started by installing a plugin. Let's go to the plugin section and click on Add Plugin. Now we search for WP2FA. Now I'll click on this and install now. And click on Activate. Now we will set up the two-factor authentication on our site. So let's get started and click on Continue Setup, and again now we will click on All Users and then Continue Setup. Now continue. Alright, we'll configure the 2FA now. Now you have option for a 2FA apps like Google Authenticator, or you can get a code on email. So you can choose any option. So for now I'll just go with email option. To click on next, and this is the email on which I'll get the code. So I'll click on I'm ready, and it seems like it has sent some code, so I'll just check that. Alright, so this is the code that we have received. We'll just enter it and click on validate and save. You can generate the backup ports and keep that in your system, but we are not going to do that, but that is recommended. If you want to do, you can do that. Alright, so now we have the 2FA authentication done, and if you want to use Google Authenticator app, so you can also configure that. It is very similar. You just have to download the Google Authenticator app from the Play Store or your App Store, and just set it up there. Alright, I hope this video is useful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Give this a thumbs up if you did, and if you need any premium plugins or themes, so you can just check the description for that.